Hey everyone, what if I told you video production is about to get a whole lot easier, smarter, and faster? Google is shaking things up with a brand new AI tool called Flow, and it's set to completely revolutionize how we create videos. So, what exactly is Flow? Imagine having a super intelligent assistant that helps you write your script, storyboard your ideas, and even edit your footage, all within Google Workspace. It's designed to take you from a simple idea to a polished, high-definition video with incredible speed. Flow uses advanced AI to generate content, suggest edits, and streamline your entire workflow. This means less time spent on tedious tasks and more time for you to focus on being creative. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this new technology could be a total game changer for your video making process. Are you excited to see how AI will change video production in 2026? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.